everyone. Today I'll be making a No Bake Twix Cake. What all goes into the No Bake Twix Cake? 1 box vanilla wafers, 2 boxes 3.4 ounce milk chocolate pudding, 4 cups milk, 16 ounces of Cool Whip. This is 8 ounces, so I'll be using 2 of these. 2 cups of Twix bars chopped, 2 containers of 16 ounce milk chocolate frosting, and 1/3 cup caramel topping. So let's begin. So take a bowl and mix the chocolate pudding as directed on package. So 1 package of chocolate pudding mix, the second package, 2 cups for each package of milk, and then another 2 cups, which equals out to be 2 packages and 4 cups of milk. And then whisk that with a wire whisk until thoroughly mixed. Alright, so I want to mention that my son bought me this wonderful stand mixer. I've been wanting one for a long time. He bought it for me for Christmas last year. I haven't had a chance to use it because I never have enough space on my counter space. Dave bought me this nice little work center so my stand mixer can have a permanent place to live. This is a Nurzivo, and I'm sure I'm really butchered that pronunciation, but it's Nurxivo. It has a meat grinder attachment, and it also has a blender attachment to it as well. Now it does mention a splash guard to attach to it, but it's not listed in the list of items that came with it, and I did not receive one anyway, so I'll just have to be careful so it don't splatter all over the place. This will be my first time using it, so wish me luck. Alright, so it has a little knob right here that you push down to raise that up. I'm going to twist this off and move it over here. Put in the pudding. And then take your whipped cream and add that to the bowl. And that's 16 ounces, so I have 2 packages. And it doesn't say to be thawed out. I had it sitting out for a little bit and put in the second one. All right, then put your bowl in and turn it until it locks in. It's locked in. Put in your whisk, and you just take it and push up and then turn it so it locks in. Then lower it back down. There. Then we'll start it off slow. It's got a knob here from 0 to 6. You're supposed to beat this on high until smooth. Since I don't have a splash guard, I'm going to slowly start mixing it. It is kind of full. Okay, and I'm going to just scrape down the sides a little bit. And it is nice and smooth, but it didn't splash too bad because I started off low and slow, but I really like it, and I'll leave a link down below. So take a 9x13 pan, take your vanilla wafers, and cover the bottom with the wafers. Supposed to be enough to do 3 layers of this, I hope so. Then take half of your chocolate pudding and Cool Whip mix and spread it over the cookies. Next, add another layer of the cookie mix, and I'm going to spread them out just a little bit more because I know I'm not going to have enough. Next time I'll get the real Nilla wafers and I'll get the bigger box. Okay, then you take the other half of the pudding and put over the wafers. So next take 1 cup of the Twix bars and sprinkle that. Then take the last of the wafers and put them on top of the Twix bars. Now the next part, to me, seems like an awful lot. I may not use both frostings, depends on how melty they get. Take the foil part off, stick it in the microwave for 45 seconds. All right, there it is, all melted. We'll give it a stir and we'll pour the second one over this as well. Okay, we got the second one all on there too. It's going to be very, very chocolatey. Then take the other Twix bars and put it over the chocolate. So next take your caramel topping, which is 1/3 of a cup, and drizzle it over top. We'll put it in the freezer for a minimum of 2 hours, preferably overnight. So we'll see you later on this evening. So here is the No Bake Twix Cake. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Kind of firm yet. Might have to thaw out a minute.
Talk a while, your hot air will melt it.
I love you too.
I love you, dear.
What is this?
This is No Bake Twix Cake.
Okay. It's really chocolatey.
Does it taste like a Twix?
I don't know. I don't usually eat Twix. It's good. It's interesting because the stuff on top is really rich, and then the lighter stuff is kind of light, and it's almost like it's frozen, kind of a crunchy texture, but it's real light, and then it's a nice blend. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.